Hello, in this short video, we're going to have a look at the inputs and outputs that we can use on a microbit. So if you've used any of the earlier videos, you will have already been using one of the microbit's outputs, which are the LEDs. So an output is a way of a computer sending information data to the outside world. The other output that it has is a speaker on the back, so we can use that and music can be played or notes, tunes can be played through that. Okay, it also has several inputs, and we're just going to focus on the basic ones for the moment. So that's the A button, the B button, and the accelerometer that it has, so it can sense movement. So how we would use those in a program? Well, you can start them with different blocks. We're just going to have a look at how we would start a program using one of the inputs. So I'll just do that again. Go to the input menu in the toolbox, and we've got this one on button A pressed. So drag that in, and let's move that block. So show icon. Let's go over now to the simulator. You can see that there's nothing there. There's no program, no image showing. That will show once I press button A. So just press button B, nothing happens. Press button A, and there we have that. Okay. We can write then several programs, so I can pull this back in. If you notice, there's only a on button A pressed. So if I want to do button B, I select button B, and I'm just going to select another icon. Go for a different one this time. Let's go for the roller skate and do the same again, because there's also, we can have button A, B as an input. So that's pressing both the buttons simultaneously. And I don't know if you noticed, but you come over to the simulator and you've now got another button, which is A and B. So when we press that, that simulates pressing both the buttons at the same time. So let's stick another show icon in there. Let's go for the Pac-Man style ghost. And then the fourth input that I want to use is on shake. So this is using the accelerometer that the microbit has. And we can go into sort of different shakes, the logo up, logo down, position of the screen, tilt left, tilt right, and the force with which a microbit is dropped an impact on something. If you wanted to, we're just going to do simply on shake, drag another one in. Again, if we look over at the simulator, we should see soon a shake button. So now when we do that, it'll actually move around, and because it was shaking, it's now displaying the heart. Let's change that because we've got two inputs to doing that. Let's go for the tortoise. And then, we've got this program. If I just put that into full screen mode, so now we can see that if I shake the microbit, we've got one image, press button B, another image, button A, another image, button AB, another image. And that would happen if I downloaded it to the device, as long as it was connected by the USB to power to the computer or with the battery pack, then we would have those images. Okay, hope that was useful. Thank you.